NASA's Voyager 1 has phoned home from 15 billion miles away. After months of sending only gibberish, the most distant man-made object in the universe is once again returning usable data. Launched in 1977, Voyager was built to last just a few years, yet nearly 5 decades later it continues to surprise us. The recent glitch came from its flight data subsystem, likely corrupted by a cosmic ray that flipped bits in memory. What seemed like a fatal error was repaired from Earth with a reprogrammed set of commands, something never designed to be possible. Against all odds, the probe reset itself and began transmitting clean, structured data again. The Voyagers were born from a rare planetary alignment that allowed them to slingshot from Jupiter outward. Voyager 1 revealed the volcanic hellscape of Io, Jupiter's faint rains, and magnetic storms no one expected. It unveiled Saturn's braided rings and hidden moons. Voyager 2 ventured further, the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune up close. At Uranus it discovered tilted magnetic fields and new moons. At Neptune it saw supersonic winds and nitrogen geysers erupting from Triton's icy surface. These snapshots remain humanity's only close-up views of those worlds. Once the planets were behind them, both probes pushed into the boundary of the heliosphere, the invisible bubble where the sun's influence gives way to interstellar space. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into the interstellar medium, followed 6 years later by Voyager 2. What they found was nothing like scientists predicted. Instead of a smooth transition, the edge of the solar system was chaotic. Dense particle walls, hot plasma, wrinkled folds billions of kilometers wide, moving like waves in an unseen ocean. Voyager 2's working plasma sensor revealed the interstellar medium to be far hotter and stranger than models suggested. Attached to both probes is the Golden Record, a copper disc carrying the sounds, images, and greetings of Earth. Conceived by Carl Sagan's team, it holds music from Bach to Chuck Berry, diagrams of DNA, greetings in dozens of languages, even a heartbeat. It was never meant to be practical. The odds of discovery are almost zero. Its true meaning was symbolic. That humanity once chose to send beauty and memory into the dark, not to be heard but to declare that we existed. In 2022, Voyager 1 began spitting out unreadable data again, as if its ancient computer brain was unraveling. Engineers suspected corrupted memory and devised a daring solution: rewrite its code line by line, moving instructions to undamaged memory banks. After a 22-hour wait for the signal to reach the probe and return, Voyager answered. The fix had worked. A spacecraft with less computing power than a pocket calculator had repaired itself across 15 billion miles. Today, both Voyagers still send whispers home. Voyager 1 provides magnetic readings, while Voyager 2 still measures plasma flows. Their differences reveal that space is not uniform, it shifts, folds, and hums with plasma waves. Yet their power is fading. Each relies on nuclear batteries that lose energy every year. By the 2030s, their instruments will shut down one by one, until the final signal is sent and silence takes over. But silence will not mean an end. The Voyagers will continue drifting for millions of years, carrying their records through the galaxy. Long after Earth has changed beyond recognition, they will still wander the stars, fragile messengers of a small civilization that once looked up and reached out. Their legacy is more than data or discovery. It is the simple truth that something built by human hands has already left the sun behind. Two ancient machines, older than the Internet, are now farther away than any object we have ever made. They were not designed to last, yet they endure. Explorers without destination, carrying the whispers of Earth into the endless dark. Whether anyone ever finds them doesn't matter. What matters is that they are out there, that they belong to the stars, and that they remind us of who we are. A species that chose not just to survive, but to speak into the silence. Word by word, signal by signal, The Voyagers prove that even in the vast emptiness,